Molweni namkelekile nonke kweZitshisabe Entertainment. Bafowethu, there is a new sheriff in town. Sitsho kanjalo masisilungu. Yes, there is a new sheriff in town ke sana. Ubaba uGwala, uBonginhlahla Gwala, and uyatrenda after ke ku-release i-video yakhe ye-birthday laphayana ke ku-TikTok. And as I was just so amazed by isithembu sakhe, mengithi inhla kwama-comment section, ayibo i-competition sekuthiwa the Gwalas versus the Mselekos. Kuthiwa utata uMusa Mseleku akaliboni when it comes to ubaba uGwala. Number one, isithembu sakhe esikababa uGwala siklini, siyavana, ezinani nizibonela ukuthi yi-birthday kababa uGwala. Amakhosikazi wonke are in unison, they are dressed the same, bonke bayabonakala ukuthi they were part of the planning. Uyabona nje ama-outfits ayatumecha, meaning that kwabona abafazi bayazwana. Angazi ukuthi ke bayizwephi indaba yezingane ukuthi nezingane ziyazwana. Furthermore, ubaba uGwala ke bathi ingathi imali yakhe inde man, ucaphuna kusale, ngeke athi mhlawumbe eshaye istroke abize amakhosikazi akhe awu-4 athi akakhiphe imali. Guys, yazi angithandi ngobaba wami ubaba uMseleko uma senizosho kanjena ngaye, bathi nje ubaba uGwala imali yakhe uyayibona ukuthi as very long, and they have been begging for ubaba uGwala ukuthi approach mhlawumbe uShowmax noma DSTV ukuthi abe nayo ke i-reality TV show yakhe to showcase esakhe ke isithembu. Wena guys, which isithembu do you like, the Mselekos or the Gwalas? Please ngiyanicela ni comment it down on the comment section. But umbuzo ke oyi-one ubuzwayo ukuthi amakhosikazi alala ko round yini, ngoba phela the only thing esiyibonayo ilabo Ronda Valley, asiyiboni imizi njengase Yellow Houses. So guys, your comments ngiyacela and ngizonibona on my next upload. Thank you for joining. Bye.